a giveaway. I haven't done a giveaway since the first of the month. So I am doing a giveaway. I just reached 700 followers on Instagram. We have 400 members now on the Crafting Journey Facebook group, and I just passed 1,200 followers on YouTube. So I'm thrilled. I love that you guys share the journey with me into diamond painting, loom knitting, cross stitching, crocheting, coloring, collage quilting, whatever the mood strikes me. Um, but I love having you all along for the crafting journey. So I am going to be doing a yarn giveaway. Now, this is not yarn that anyone has given me or gifted to me. This is yarn that I purchased myself. So here is what is in the giveaway. So the first skein of yarn that I'm going to give away is, it's Yarn Bee Effortless. It's a 6 gauge. It's gorgeous. Oh my God. I bought this at Hobby Lobby. And I did make a hat. I bought 2 skeins. I only needed 1 skein to make the hat that I made with this. And I did give that hat away for Christmas. So the other skein is going into a giveaway. It's a number 6, bulky. It's 111 yards. And literally, I made a hat out of 1 skein. So I also just recently purchased this Rebound yarn by Lion Brand. You know, they were having their 5 for $10 sale, and I thought this was super cute Rebound yarn. So this is a cotton yarn I'm going to throw in. It's called Spring Resort. It is 175 yards of a 4-weight. You can make some great kitchen towels with that. Really pretty kitchen towels. Then I'm going to put in this Mandala Thick and Quick yarn, also from Lion Brand. I bought 2 skeins of this. Only needed 1 to make a hat with it. So I'm giving the other skein away. It's a 6 bulky, 87 yards. I made a hat with 87 yards of this yarn. It's gorgeous. Then I am giving away, I thought I would like this color, and I don't. And I already have this in another color, so I am giving it away. I am sure someone will love this color. It's lots of different colors, and there's 2 skeins of it. This is also Lion Brand Landscapes Rainforest color, and super, super soft. Oh my goodness. And I know what I'm going to do with the other color that I have, and I think it's going to turn out really cool. But this, I thought I'd go ahead and put this in the giveaway. It is a medium 4-weight, and each skein is 174 yards. And then last but not least, in the giveaway will be 3 skeins of I was going to do this baby blanket, a loom knit baby blanket, and I started it, and then I ended up frogging it out. It wasn't going the way I had planned. Now everybody will tell you that it was going great, but it was a difficult pattern, and I would put it away for a little while, and then when I would pick it back up, I would start in the wrong place in the pattern, which I've got to find a better way to, when I'm working on something difficult like that, to know where I've left off in the pattern. So I'm giving away these 3 skeins. This is called Premier Puzzle Yarn, and it is 100% acrylic. It's gorgeous. I believe it's a 4-weight, or maybe it's a 5. It's a 5 bulky, and it's, you know, of course, some pinks. It's not coming across on camera, but it's got a pinkish grayish look to it. It's super, super soft and beautiful. So this is what I am giving away to a lucky subscriber. All of this yarn, not this yarn, this goes with my loom. This is my loom project, my temperature blanket. So here is what you have to do to enter to win, and I will not be shipping internationally again. I do apologize for that. Not quite there yet financially. So, what? Come over and feed my dog. No. You have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, send this video to a friend, let them know that I'm having a giveaway, and leave a comment. I will use a random comment picker to pick the winner on February 3rd, which is next Wednesday. During Craft With Me Wednesday, I will pick a winner. So, what is all that fuss about? My goodness. He's choking it out over there. I think he needs a cookie. It's drama. It's doggy drama. Anyway, that is how you enter to win. So thank you all. I will see you next Wednesday when I give away this yarn to a lucky subscriber. Thank you guys. Bye.